project idea is to create an app that makes it easier for drivers and passengers to communicate. The app would allow drivers to send their location to their server so passengers would know where all the drivers are at, allowing for the procedure to be more efficient. So as you can see, we've implemented a sign up and login feature through Passport Local, and we store all the information in MongoDB, which allows a more secure and efficient way of storage. The app for passengers allow them to request a cab with very simple hand motions. The user is able to either type in the address or drag the marker to the target locations, and as the user drags, the address would also change. The user can also choose the destination, South Aiken, and when he or she wants to get picked up, so either tomorrow or anytime or now. And the user can also choose whoever driver he or she prefers, or just assign the user a random driver. The second part of our project is the client side for drivers. So as you can see, I'm going to be logging in as the driver now. And the first interface that comes out is the working hours of the driver, the future tasks or reservations that other passengers has made before, and whether if the driver is available or not. So if the driver is available, his icon will be showing in other users' interface, and if it's off, his icon won't be. Once the user presses request, it sends a signal to the server and assigns the passenger a closest cab if the person hasn't specified any specific driver. It then shows an estimated time of arrival for the cab and draws out the route. Once the driver receives a new task, he could press the new task and it will be showing the driver's location, and he could choose whether to decline or to accept. After the taxi has arrived, the user can press Start Ride and the fare estimator starts. It also calculates the shortest path and displays it on the screen. So the user is trying to get from A to B. Once the driver accepts, it will be showing an estimated time of arrival to the passenger, and once he reaches the passenger, you can press Start Ride and it will be showing the user's destination. And once the user is done with the trip, he or she will get a receipt which contains information such as the fare, duration, and other details. Then after the trip is done, the user may rate the driver. And once he's there, they could finish, and the last interface would be showing the fare and the other information. The app for the passenger also has some other features. For instance, it has a ride book which shows all the history of the previous rides that the user has done, and it also shows the most current one. It also has other features such as the address book, the driver contacts, and some other features such as settings and about. And as you can see, we have also done icons, other features such as the reservation and and we also did the ride books, contacts, settings, and about, which are pretty similar to those in the user's interface.